everyone, how are you? This is Joel over at Bodyworks here in Mesa, Arizona. Today I'm going to show you how to use the foam roller on your back. So real simple, you want to lay your back on this foam roller. You want both feet on the ground. You want one hand behind your head and the other hand on the ground for basic support. If you want to add some intensity to it, then take your arms off the ground. So, back's on the roller. If this is your first time, try not to lift your hips too much. Just kind of slide them along the ground. If you feel any soreness or discomfort, stop. Try it again. Up and down would be the fashion. For more pressure, we're going to elevate your hips. We're going to cross your arm. And as we cross your arm, you're opening up that shoulder blade away from your spine, creating more space for that foam roller to massage, so you can kind of lean more onto that side and focus more on the knots in between the upper back and shoulders. Something to think about. All right, up and down we go. Sometimes you'll hear a pop, depending on how your chiropractic adjustments have been going, chiropractic adjustments, physical therapy, all this might be better for you just on a daily routine of maintenance. If you are seeing a physical therapist or somebody for a medical concern, make sure they know you're doing this stuff, because we don't want to add any irritation to your discs, tendons, ligaments, anything like that. So feel free to give me a call if you have any questions or concerns on that note. The number is 480-381-5779. Thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or concerns.